remember from last week's video, we were talking about how we made our own bow. At the end, we were shooting it at a target. Now, we ran into a slight issue, being that the target is not very good at stopping the arrows, because it's just simply cardboard. It's an empty cardboard box. So we'll be showing how to make a more resilient target that does a better job stopping the arrows for $0. Very simple. All you need is cardboard. Cardboard, and then knife. To start off with, clear off your workstation. Lay some cardboard down, and don't knock anything else down in your shop in the meanwhile. Let's get started. So we're gonna start off with this as our main donor box, our main target, even though it's already somewhat beat up. Then take another box. So if you start with your box up here, you line it up the corner, bring it down a hair, then just mark it on the top, mark it on the side right there, then just bring the side in by about 1/4 inch, and then just cut. Doesn't have to be precise, just close enough to fill up the box. And there we go, our first piece. And all you do is just slide it in, and you'll do many more to fill it up. Okay, our target's all ready. Let's go out and shoot.
So when you're pulling back, you need to pull back pretty far. This is a bigger bow than would actually work for my size person, which means I'm shorter. Okay, so you want to pull it back very far, like so. Okay, but you're gonna do it with 2 fingers, so you have to have very strong fingers. So 3 fingers. If your face doesn't go like that, you haven't pulled it far enough. See?
Thank you for watching and joining us in this video where we created the most simplistic but effective archery target. If you have a heavier poundage bow, you can always make the target larger. Please leave us a comment down below. Tell us your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Also, hit the subscribe button, which is going to be the Wolf Ops logo floating around in the upper corner. Also, smash the thumbs up button. Not this thumb, it hurts. Thank you for watching, and until next time, Alpha out.